Son of a bitch. Battery died. Okay. This is kind of ridiculous and embarrassing. Turn it that way, see if that works. Nope. Fuck me. I know I have gas. Alright, that's it. I'm getting my battery replaced. That would have sucked to got stranded out here. I'm going home. No more pit stops. Got to be thirsty the whole ride home. What's up, everybody? Like I said, that would have sucked if I would have stalled out right there. I got to get a new battery for this bike. Got to get home before it starts raining. It's definitely raining. It's raining somewhere right now. Hopefully not in the direction I'm going. Went to that gas station back there to get myself some water, some peanuts, and I go up to the counter and there's a $5 minimum charge to use your card, which is bullshit. Complete bullshit. Card is just as good as cash. So I'm like, alright, fuck it, fine. I'm really thirsty. I grab like the most expensive candy bar and I'm $1 short. And I'm like, you know what? I have no pockets. I'm not gonna buy a bunch of shit just to throw it out and waste $5 for a bottle of water. So I said, you know what? Never mind. And I just walked right out the store, left everything on the counter. It just pisses me off that people do that crap. Completely another pisses me off. I'm pretty sure that's illegal. You can't do that, and people still do it. And I had an argument with people before about it, and it never goes anywhere, and I don't get what I want, which is to pay money for something. Then I get on this, and it won't start. So you know what? It's time I go home. Yeah, so you can see, I don't know if the camera's picking that up, but if you see those clouds, those are rain clouds. So I need to hustle and get home. My wife went to the beach today, so I'm hoping that she's not getting rained on as we speak. I haven't heard from her at all, but she's at the beach, so it's not like you carry your phone all around you when you're at the beach. Why am I not at the beach? I hate the beach. Only time I like the beach is right before summertime hits. Once it gets really hot out, I don't like going to the beach anymore because I'm outside all the time. And I'm like, no, I'm not going to stand underneath the hot sun on a white sandy beach and swim in shark poop. Because that's what the ocean is. It's a giant toilet for every animal that lives in it. Instead, I'm out here riding with a hot combustible engine between my nutsack, hot asphalt below me, hot sun above me, praying it doesn't rain. I figure I had some free time. I was sitting around not doing anything. Tell me, you guys, do you guys have gas stations like that won't take your card, your debit card, until you need to pay a minimum charge? I hate that. If I go in a store that does that, I usually just leave right away. Leave everything I just bought on the counter. You put it away. You know, if you want your minimum charge to be $5, then don't have stuff in your store that's less than $5. Plain and simple. And then let us consumers decide if we want to spend $5. Literally, I'm buying candies and stuff that I'm not going to eat just so I can have $5 worth of stuff. And where am I supposed to put it all? Alright, well, I'm done ranting, guys. I'll let you go. If you like this video, leave a comment below. And I'll see you guys like I see the sun tomorrow.